How to change the currency on all.com. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how you can change the currency on all.com. If this is your question, ensure you watch to the end. The first step is to launch the all.com application. Once you've launched it, you'll be brought to the welcome address page automatically, where you can see the search bar, you can see the reward points, etc. Now there are two ways of how you can change the currency. All right, now the first way is by changing the currency for all of the transactions that you'll be making on all.com application, while the second way is by changing a currency for the particular hotel, or the particular hotel that you like to book for that moment. For example, you want to book an hotel and you click on the search bar and then you've selected the location. Once you select a location and the date, you will be brought to the search page, right? And then on this search page, you can see currency just above special rate. So to change this currency, just click on currency and then you'll be taken to another page where you can see other currencies that you can use. So for me, I'll just select a currency that I can work with, which is Naira, and then click on confirm. All right, and then you can now go ahead and continue searching for that particular bank using the currency. Now the second way of doing this is by going to the lower part of the screen where you can see options like home, bookings, account. So just click on account. And then once you're on the accounts page, you would see personal details, work details, bank cards, advanced settings, help and login information, logout. So just click on advanced settings. And then once you're on the advanced settings page, you can see the change currency option below the communication preferences. And once you click on it, you can also see the currencies page. You can now select the currency that you would like to be using on your all.com account. So that is it. Very, very simple. This is how you can change currency on all.com. Thanks for watching and do have a nice day.